Hi, I'm Nikko. I've been working as a professional artist in and outside the film industry for over 15 years. And in the last few years, Procreate and the iPad has become my main tools.
On the top side there, I press the white a little to the left again, opposite side. Other buildings further into the scene, so this will just turning on and off that detail just to see, creating a new layer on top of that, lead into the right perspective, because they're all parallel and we need them to follow the vanishing point above.
So welcome to my Procreate tutorials here at artstudyonline.com. Let's begin.